The Bangladesh Nationalist Party secured a landslide victory in the 13 general elections held on 12 February 2026. Some sources also suggest that the new government may take oath by February 14, 2026. Congratulatory messages poured in from across the region. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to Tarique Rahman and extended warm congratulations on the victory. In a post on X, PM Modi said the result reflects the trust of the people of Bangladesh in his leadership and reaffirmed India's support for a democratic, progressive and inclusive Bangladesh while expressing hope to strengthen bilateral ties. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also congratulated the people of Bangladesh and addressed Tarique Rahman as Tariq Bhai. She described the win as a great victory and wished for cordial relations between India and Bangladesh. Banerjee also extended advanced Ramzan greetings to the people of the neighboring country. With the Bangladesh Nationalist Party's victory under the leadership of Tarique Rahman, the 2026 election marks a significant political shift in Bangladesh. As the country prepares for a new political chapter, regional leaders have expressed optimism for peace, progress and stronger cooperation in the days ahead. The outcome is expected to influence the country's governance, democratic direction, and regional relations, particularly with India, in the coming years.